Nah, we'll just extend it. Right. We'll extend it then, Ann, yeah? We'll fucking extend it. Let's get on my nerves. Oh, I'm getting a fucking... Right. There we are. Now we can do that back up. Okay. Right, do you know what? We'll forget about extending it. Because it's a fucking annoying. Oh. Wow. The drill is getting a little bit battered. Tired, that's what it is. Tired. If you want the only drill I had, I'd fucking smash you up right now. Fed up with all these tired tools around me. I'm motivated, but this one's tired. Right. Now, when it squeaks, it means the drill bit's fucking shit. That's what it means. That's what it means. Your drill bit is knackered and it needs to be chucked in the bin. That's what it means. Right then, okay, we'll just leave you like that then. Hopefully you get blown up. Fucking wanker. Fucking wanker, this drill is. But anyway, you're getting there though, aren't you? I mean, you're getting there quite deep in there. I ain't got a battery drill. Actually, I might have a battery drill to plug into my other one. I might. Or have I got? I need an electric one, don't I? I need one of them pillar drills. I need to invent something. That's what I need to do, to drill this fucking hole. Right. Is that cold? Yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's cold, that. That can go in the scrap bucket, which is over there out the fucking way. Right. Yeah, that's cold now, Ant. Chuck that in your scrap bin. Right. All these filings are worth money, you know. These are stainless steel filings. And they're worth money, so I'm going to keep them. Yeah, I am. I'm going to fucking keep them too. Right. Are you going to start drilling, or are you going to start failing and being a twat about stuff? Because you're getting my fucking nerves in. Now, come here. Come on. I need this drilled. Come on. Do you know what? You're really a waste of time. That's what you are. Well, I need this drilled. And you ain't doing nothing. Because you're just sat there now like a plum. Right. Okay. Right, Ant. So what do we do about it? Well, there ain't a lot we can do fucking about it, is there? Right. Well, there is something we can do about it. We're getting on for 44 minutes now, guys. I'm going to let you go on this video and I'll call you back very soon on the next video. I'll start it up very shortly, don't you go anywhere, because I'll be back when that little bitch down there decides to get to work. Bye for now. and enjoy the rest of my videos.